how's everybody doing? I'm doing great because a week ago I posted a video on this great program I discovered called Oblige. It runs on Windows and Linux. Oblige is a random level generator for Doom, Heretic and Hexen, Plutonia, TNT Evolution, Ultimate Doom, and Doom 1. There's a lot of different variables that you can set in order to control the output of these levels. I'm using some of these, others I'm not. I've had success with Doom 1 and 2, and I've had success with Heretic about 30% of the time. The other 70%, I get a weird error message that it's missing a prefab for Terminator. Hexen just never works. I get a strange error message on that one too. Attempt to index field theme defaults a nil value. But I have sat through changing like every single variable for this and just can't get it to work yet. The other day I was browsing the internet and came across this program called Obsidian. It's a community continuation of Oblige. It's got some bug fixes and more features. With this program, I've been able to compile Heretic WADs 100% of the time successfully. There are some instructions inside the install.md file in the source code right here. So we're going to compile the source code and get this to work. Go ahead and open a command prompt. I would say cd to your apps directory. If you haven't already made an apps directory, just go mkdir apps. But I've already got one, so I'm just going to go to it. So you see here, Oblige is the only folder I've got. I want you to copy this command exactly into the terminal and press enter. Now I'm going to change to that folder. I'm going to make a new folder called build. I'm going to change to it. Now just type in cmake space ... Now let's take a look at what we've got in this folder. Okay, just type in the command make, and you're going to compile the source code. I didn't have anything intelligent to say, so I just shut up for a couple minutes. Now I want you to type in cd space dot dot. Now type in cp space build slash obsidian space dot. Okay, you just copied the Obsidian executable up to the parent folder. Now type in /obsidian. There you go. Pretty easy compile in my opinion. I'm still going to keep Oblige, but I needed this program so I can compile Heretic WAD successfully 100% of the time. But you'll never get the error message if I try to compile Hexen WADs. Same thing as in the other program, so I'm still trying to get the Hexen WADs to work. If I figure out the correct settings to get these to work, I'll go ahead and make another video about it. For now, I'm going to change this back to Heretic because I'm going to say this, I've made 5 or 6 already and I love the way these look. I'm going to close this out for now. I just wanted to point out really quick, the reason I got this to compile so fast is because of the excellent instructions that were provided with the source code itself. I just want you to look at this one file here. In case you're missing any dependencies for the compiling process, he lists all the dependencies you need right here. This is great because not everyone does this for their programs. This part right here, this is the part that I use. This is actually all that I did, and then I just used /obsidian to launch it. I didn't even use the -- install. But I'm going to show you here, I made a really simple script. That's it. Really nothing, it's just easy. Then I just stuck this in the menu and I used the same icon that I use for Oblige. Let's see if this works. Oh great, it works. Awesome. Anyway, that's it. That's really all there is to compile this. It's super easy. If you missed any of those steps or anything, I put a copy of everything in the video text. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.